4% of all Americans are now fully vaccinated against COVID-19. That's according to data from the CDC. 27 states have fully vaccinated more than half of their residents, and nearly 780,000 doses are being administered each day. Meanwhile, a local school district taking a controversial step to stop the spread of COVID-19. City Schools of Decatur agreeing to implement a vaccine mandate for staff. They're the first to do so in the state.
Yeah, I think certainly a lot of districts will be watching to see what happens here. Our Sabrina Silva is joining us live. She's in Decatur with how parents are reacting to this decision and the possibility that students might be next.
Yeah, good morning, Robin Gravier. Initially, the school district added students to their plan, but they decided to take a quicker route and only apply it to its staff members.
This is a much bigger issue than for staff. So it's a much different thing when you're talking about employees that work for your school system versus students that attend your public school system.
City Schools of Decatur making a controversial decision to require all of its staff members to get the COVID-19 vaccine by October 31st.
This board, the superintendent, we all agree that vaccines are the best way to get through this pandemic.
After weeks of debating the idea, at one point even adding students to the mandate, the school board agreed to go the quickest route and only apply it to its staff. Now, when it comes to students, the table talks are expected to resume next month, something parents have been both in opposition and in favor of.
It is an overreach of your authority, however, and that is completely unacceptable.
We are putting all of our eggs in just one basket, focusing so much on vaccines. Masking, distancing, and other mitigation measures are working in our schools.
Now, those staff members who don't get the shot by October 31st can file an exemption, and if that gets approved, they'll then have to get a COVID-19 test every single day, and those tests will be provided by the district. For now, reporting live in Decatur, I'm Sabrina Silva, CBS 46 News.
Yeah, certainly without precedent, at least here in the state of Georgia. Sabrina, thanks for that report.